Hi, boys and girls. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. So, you did a fantastic job last week with your fiction responses. This week, we're going to move on and we're actually going to be focused on the characters this week. And we're going to be talking about something called character traits. Can you say character traits? Now, you might have heard your homeroom teachers talk about the traits in school that we look for, like respect and kindness. And those, boys and girls, are something called your personality traits. But when we look at characters in books, boys and girls, we talk about what they look like, which is called their physical traits, and then how their insides are, which is called your personality. So I just wanted to come on and show you and explain that. And then in another video this week, I will explain what you will be working on. So boys and girls, a character trait is a way to describe what a character is like on the outside, and that's called their physical trait, or the inside, which is called their personality trait. So we will be taking a character this week, and you will be talking about what you can see or their physical traits, and then we will talk about what's on the inside, and that's called their personality traits, boys and girls. So I just want everybody to understand that first. So with physical traits, boys and girls, it's what we see with our eyes. So you describe, and you're going to be using a lot of adjectives to describe what you see. If we were to look at this character here, or this boy, we can see that he has brown hair, and I would say his brown hair looks smooth from the drawing here. He has blue eyes, and I'm very specific, boys and girls, here. He has a tank top, and I would also say maybe a striped tank top with blue shorts and tennis shoes and tan skin. And we can also say he has a big smile. Notice I am describing how he looks with my eyes, and that's called your physical traits. And then we talk about the personality traits, or what's on the inside, boys and girls. So what we learn based on what the character says, does, thinks, and feels, those are called your personality traits. Can you say personality traits? Excellent job, boys and girls. So with the personality traits, I know a lot of you boys and girls will say that a character can be mean or nice or friendly. But you know what? We always say the words nice, mean. Let's think of some synonyms or similar words that describe a character. So I'm going to provide you this week with a character trait sheet that instead of saying the words nice, mean, angry, you boys and girls can use this as a tool to think of some synonyms or similar words to it. So that character trait sheet will look like this, boys and girls. Give Mrs. Pizza 1 second. If you can see here, oops. This will all be on the Google Classroom. So you can see, boys and girls, we have the word nice, mean, and sad. There are other words to use besides nice. Okay, we can see kind. I'd love to see some other words, sweet, thoughtful. Okay, if a character is mean, which does happen in characters, they become mean, we can say maybe thoughtless or unfriendly or harsh. A lot of friends see sometimes a character sad, maybe gloomy or hopeless might be a better word for it. These great words in gray are words that we use common, but I'd like you to think, readers, of some other words that you can use here. So will be again on the Google Classroom. So boys and girls, again, this week you will be talking about character traits. You will first talk about what your character looks like, and that's called your physical trait. And then you will talk about what your character is like and their personality. So boys and girls, in another video, I will explain this week's lesson. Have a great week. Talk to everyone soon. Bye.